Hi, my name is Alexandra and I'm the 2024 TBRe Racing Electric team lead. We are a group of people that come together to build a single-seater race car and race with it around Europe.
Formula Student's the biggest engineering competition in the US and Europe, and it's pretty much the best way to get real-world experience doing engineering.
TBRe is a great group to be part of. It gives you an amazing opportunity to practically apply whatever course you're on. We have electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, aeronautical, everything. On top of that, it's just a great group to be part of. Socially, we're all great, we have fun together. It's just a brilliant place to be. My favourite part of TBRe would definitely be just the chance to get out of a lecture theatre and really apply some knowledge practically. You get to see your own work being built up in front of you, and then just to top it all off, you get to take it all over the UK, all over Europe, and just have some real fun with it and just learn the whole way.
TBRe is divided in mainly 3 groups. You have the business operations, you have the mechanical part, and then you have the electrical side. The electrical side is divided by low voltage and high voltage systems. In the mech side you will find the chassis, driver environment, powertrain, aerodynamics, and vehicle dynamics. In the business operation, the logistics, the financial, the marketing, the media, and the coordination of the full team as a whole.
So the students themselves build the entire structure from the engineering design to actually making it feasible by looking for their own sponsors and finding their own financial support for that claim. So it really is down to the students' capacity to basically design and manage their own team and their own designs.
People in the team do various things throughout the day. Some people might work on design, some people might work on simulation, some people might be taking care of promoting the team, finding sponsors for the team, and overall creating a more public image.
TBRe is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to really apply the skills that I'm learning from my degree, but also learn so much that I wouldn't be learning through my degree, whether that's actually real-world application skills in terms of engineering, but also and more largely just personal skills, growing as a person in so many aspects.
My favorite thing about being on the team is seeing how people grow within the team, how they develop as personalities and learn more things, and they connect with others and learn to work in a team. This year is very exciting for the team because the team has grown a lot in the past year in terms of its operations, and I think we're in the best position we've ever been in to compete and be competitive and win.
So, comp on paper is a chance to really show off our achievements, but it's so much more than that. We camp on the next to the tracks that we perform at, and that just gets a whole nother aspect to the competition. You're there with all the teams, socialising, making stories, making memories, and it's just a great place to be. The comps that we go to, we always make an effort to make it to the UK comp, but there's competitions all over Europe. There's some in the US, there's some as far east as China. We generally stick to Europe, and we have to get ourselves there any way we can.
Comp is a place where so many minds come in and clash and fight and grow together in the space of a week. And the amount that is learned and that is lived in that week is just uncomparable. So the competition is split into 2 sets of judging categories. One is static and one is dynamic. Dynamic is obviously when the car runs, but what goes on behind the scenes in some case, behind the live streams that the visitors may see, are the static events. And there's 3 of those. There's the business plan presentation, the cost and manufacturing event, and the design event.
For the dynamics for the competition, you have 4 disciplines. You have skid pad, which is a figure of 8. You have acceleration. You have autocross, which is from A to B the fastest, and then endurance, which is 30 minutes driving and switching between 2 drivers. Any student that works in the team has the opportunity to drive the car as long as they're fast and the team knows reliably they can count on them as a driver. During competition, either in the UK or overseas, we always see different teams with different budgets, different characteristics and different approaches to the regulations, which is great. In the UK especially, We see a lot of teams that have lower budgets, and it's great to see how with low budgets British engineers can create such incredible machines.
When we walk onto a pit lane with our car with us in the UK, we are generally looked at as one of the flagship teams of that competition.
When you go overseas, it's a completely different thing. You get there and you see what money brings. There's nothing missing. Those cars are faster than F1 cars from 0 to 100.
But that never really has mattered to us because we know we have the capacity to fight against them with what we have.
It's insane that we, as a small team compared to those teams, are still there battling them and showing them how we do it. And we're very proud of that.